Creating a landing page for digital products in System.io is straightforward and allows you to showcase your products effectively to drive conversions. Here's how to do it. Log into System.io. Visit System.io and log into your account. Create a new funnel. From the dashboard, click Funnels and then Create New Funnel. Select Build an Audience or Sell a Product depending on your goal. Name your funnel and click Create. Add a landing page. In your new funnel, add a step for the landing page by clicking Add Step. Name the step and choose Landing Page as the type. Select a template design for digital products or choose a blank one for customization. Customize the landing page. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like product descriptions, images, videos, and call to action buttons. Highlight features and benefits of your digital product. Use testimonials and trust badges to build credibility. Add a form or checkout button. Insert an opt-in form to collect leads or a checkout button that directs users to your payment page. Publish and share. Save and publish your landing page. Share the link on social media, ads, or email campaigns.